In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook by turning your email into a task. This is a great way to keep your inbox tidy and make sure important messages turn into actionable to-dos you won't forget. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft.com. This is the home base for all Microsoft services. Once you're there, look for the All Microsoft menu. It's usually at the top or in the site navigation. Click All Microsoft, then select Outlook. This will take you to Outlook on the web, which is where we'll do the entire process. On the Outlook page, click Sign In. Use your usual Microsoft account, whether that's for work, school, or personal use. After signing in, you'll land in your inbox. Take a moment to make sure you can see your email list in the center and the sidebar on the right or top toolbar, depending on your layout. Now look for the small icon that opens your task tools. It typically looks like a check mark inside a circle and may be labeled My Day or To Do. Click on this icon, a panel will open. Inside that panel, click To Do to reveal the To Do section. This is where your tasks live and where we'll drop the email. Find the email you want to turn into a task. With your cursor over that message in the list, press and hold the left mouse button. That long press is important because it picks the email up so you can move it. While still holding, drag the email over to the To Do section in the panel. You should see a visual cue like a highlight or a drop zone, confirming you're in the right place. Release the mouse button to drop it. Outlook immediately creates a task from that email. The email's subject becomes the task name, and it usually includes a link back to the original message so you can open it later with one click. This keeps context attached to the task without cluttering your inbox. If the panel isn't visible when you try to drag, make sure the To Do section is open first, then try again. And if you're using a touchpad, click and hold before dragging, just like with a mouse. That's all there is to it. You've turned an email into a task directly inside Outlook, keeping your work organized and easy to act on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.